So this is our batch making area. This is where we mix all the formulas. We have 7 mixing tanks up here. Here's a batch that's already made and being tested. And over here, we have a new batch that's being done. So Todd just flipped these switches. You know what? Not going in. He's keeping an eye on the number of gallons going into the tank. Stop it. This batch that is finished, it's now being pumped up. So over here, we have pumps that go to these storage tanks over here. The raw materials that Todd was pumping out up there, they come from pipes in the ceiling, and the pipes go all the way over to these large storage tanks here.